Hello guys, this is me and my Grammy, Dwayne Van Warren, and David Perring, making a crazy cool circuit. As you've seen so far, we've already done a couple parts of it, but I'm going to show you how to solder in parts of a circuit.
What are you working on now? The capacitors?
Yep, we're working on soldering in the capacitors. He's my uncle who loves inventing.
Okay, put more solder on.
He loves circuits.
You may need to clean off the tip of your...
Yeah.
And then put more new fresh solder on it.
Yep.
All over the front and back of it, everything. Okay? Should be good. Let me take a look at it.
Okay.
Put it back in the cradle.
Yep.
Check it. Okay. Hang on a second. Let me clean it up a little bit.
Here comes Grammy, and here she comes in for the kill, making the most beautiful songs of all. Yeah. Yeah.
Up. Clip it off.
Yep, and now for one of the best parts of soldering, making it look clean. You gotta clip all these extra pieces off.
USB.
Yep.
And that's gonna go onto the 2-pin.
Cool.
So we have to find the 2-pin, David.
Yeah.
Looks like the USB is gonna go